Alright guys, welcome to today's episode. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. If you remember in the last episode of the road trip with NSX, I had the fuse blow for the AC compressor. Now this was due to the AC coil going bad, and so today we will be replacing that. We'll be changing out the brake pads because they are also worn. Additionally, tomorrow I will be getting in new tires, so I want to go ahead and get this maintenance out of the way so when those new tires come in I can really enjoy the car. But here we go. As you can see, the AC compressor is right there, so we have to remove this entire brace at the front first in order to be able to get to it. We have to remove a couple of these bolts. So let me go ahead and get that started. Now there's a bolt all the way in here, as you can see, that holds the front motor mount. You gotta put a really long extension to get it, and so we gotta take that out, and then the subframe should come down. Now that I moved it out the way, I should be able to get to the AC compressor right now while undoing these 4 bolts. Now the compressor is loose. I can go ahead and remove the coil now. This is the new clutch assembly or coil assembly that I'll be putting in. That's basically how it looks. Gaskets and clips. And so we gotta get this installed. First, I need to go ahead and swap over this plug right here. Alright, so next is to remove the bolt from the center of the clutch to get access to the coil. Then slowly slide this off first. Then there's a snap ring right here that holds it in. Gotta get that snap ring out. Alright, snap ring off. Woo! There you go, and it's off. Last step now is to take off the coil. Whoa, which kind of just popped off. I don't think that was supposed to happen at all. So now that that's off, you can go ahead and take off the last couple screws that hold on the wires. As you can see, this looks horrible. And then this is what we're replacing it with. Obviously this one's really bad. It's even burnt on the sides, as you can see there. But it should look like this. It should be clean as this. So I'm not exactly sure why this failed. This was a brand new compressor I bought from AutoZone, but sometimes stuff just happens. So here's a comparison of both clutches. This is the old one, and then this is the new one here. So I'm not exactly sure why this failed prematurely, but just glad I'm getting it removed and replaced now. So now to do everything we just did in reverse order and get it all back together. As you can see, everything is complete and buttoned up now. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and change out the brake pads because they are all worn out. These are my pads that I got from Science of Speed. Just regular Hawk pads. I just wanted really low dust ceramic pads, and now I got them. They were extremely low. All right guys, so that's it. I know I just changed, but got a couple of alignments coming up. So all I had to do with an NSX now, tomorrow we're gonna get some new tires for it, put those on, and go for a cruise.